What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to transform this couple photo from the traveler to become this festive Christmas portrait. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, don't worry, to create this photo transformation is 100% for free. So all you gotta do is you can visit this Google AI Studio, and don't forget to do the login first with your Google account. And after that, you can simply visit this Try Gemini 3 or click this chat with models. And after that, you can click this images and click this Nano Banana. So this one will help you to do the photo editing or change the photo 100% for free. And after that, if you click this, you will see the pop-up information like ready to chat. And you can continue to upload the picture. And you can simply put the prompt like this. Change the couple photo attached into the festive red outfit and also hood and gloves like this. And also they holding both hands a large candy cane, and also they sitting amid long dark brown hair, various Christmas decoration, and also including the gift boxes, teddy bears, balloons, and also a small Christmas tree behind. And also the background features more holiday decor, creating a vibrant and playful atmosphere. And also don't change the face and hairstyle or keep maintaining the same face as the following the previous picture. And also there will be the snow background and also warm lights bokeh and matching red outfits, DSLR portrait style, and also skin smooth and 8K clarity. So you can start to try this prompt, and don't worry because I will put it into the description box and you can try it out, and you can let us know if this prompt also worked for you. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result. Well guys, by using the same prompt, you can also have the chance or possibility to get the a little bit different look, but still in one theme about the couple festive Christmas photo. And also maybe the differences is about the angle or maybe the lights that include in this photo, and this will be the another result. Which one do you prefer? And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it's gonna be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.